So it started in 1987. My dad heard of this place that was being for sale, and he took the endeavor to go to this place. It was very remote. It would take him, back in those days, about 5 hours to get to the place. And he saw an opportunity. My dad, being an entrepreneur and a visionary, he decided to dive in and purchase the farm. With my mom's support, after so many years, both of them working together very hard, they accomplished their goals, and we had a very successful farm for a number of years. Due to a huge global coffee crisis and bad banking practices, we lost the farm to the banks. We defaulted on the loans, and I had to migrate to the U.S. At the age of 14, pretty much raised myself. And my mom never, lost the goal or the idea to get the farm back. So for a long battle that took 10 years, she filed a lawsuit against the bank and regained the farm back. Unfortunately, she passed away a year before we got the farm. So for me, it was a bittersweet relationship I had with coffee. But after losing my mom, I just thought that was my calling, that I was supposed to do something to change this, so no one else will ever go through what my mom went through. So we honor her and we'll remember her very, very dearly. But as of now, my dad is the man in charge. So what we're trying to do here with La Dalia is you buy from us, and then we help the farmer directly. Not only the farmer, but also the people that work at the farm. So everyone's happy, living a great life. Yeah.
Well, coffee's similar to wine in the way that people taste it and score it and rate it, and so specialty coffee is coffee that scores high. So it scores on a scale of 80 points or more, making it a gourmet coffee. And a lot of that is based on the processing, how it gets picked, how it gets processed at the farm level, how it even gets roasted actually makes all the difference in how that tastes. And so it puts this coffee at a different level than maybe something bought in the grocery store.
So one of the things we really, really love about our company is the fact that we do everything as a family. And when I say we do everything as a family, and I really mean it, from going down to the farm, and checking out the fields and talking to the pickers, getting our coffee here, talking to the brokers, warehousing, logistics.
No, but we do everything. I mean, we truly are a family-operated small business. So with La Dalia Coffee, we are literally every person in that process. We are the farmer, we are the exporter, we process, we bring it here, and we roast it. So when you drink a cup of our coffee, you are really directly helping our family and all the individuals back in Nicaragua that we employ to pick on the farm who really need to make a decent living every day.